We visited last year when it was the First World Defence Show, just as visitors. This year we're very happy and excited to have our own stand here. Cummins is a big player in the defence market globally. We have a lot of product running in our region here, in the Middle East, Africa, Central Asia region. And we're here to promote our product, meet new customers, meet existing customers, and tell customers about our new products so we have more on the horizon. I mean, we were established by Classic Cummins back in 1919 out of the US. We're over a 100-year company. We have a product range from a 2.8 litre engine all the way through to our Hedgehog 95 litre engine. We cover we basically cover any market that needs a diesel engine product: mining, marine, construction, on-highway, agriculture, port equipment, and obviously defence as well. Okay, so generally on our defence market, we're running from a 2.8 litre engine all the way through to a V903 engine that we would see predominantly in the Bradley tank or the MLRS 270 product through BAE Systems historically, and have many of that product here running in Saudi Arabia. From a new product standpoint, one of our highest moving engines is a 6.7 litre engine, which is currently rated at the highest output of about 360 horsepower. We're very hopeful in the coming months, definitely in 2024, to have something around another 90 horsepower, so to be in the 450 type horsepower range, okay? And the reason we're heading there is because many vehicles, the need for the vehicles is becoming heavier, okay? Heavier armament, more equipment, so the OEMs and the end users, the military, the power to weight ratio is very critical. But they still need the torque to be able to move as quick as they can when in a combat situation. So that's on the 6.7 litre. And that's generally used in things like APCs, 4x4, 6x6 APC type product line. On our 9 litre platform, we're very close to move from 450 horsepower to 544 horsepower. The product's going to probably be called Bison. Okay, we're very close to releasing that product. And that product kind of sits in the kind of MRAP type vehicle, 6x6 type MRAP vehicle. We're heading towards a 23, 25, 26 ton vehicle. Okay, so that engine we're hoping to have fully available for prototypes in the coming months as well. That'll position us for the next range of vehicles that are coming into the marketplace, not just here, but in Europe and the US and globally as well. So we've been very happy about that. On the track vehicle side, predominantly we've been using our V903 product, which currently goes up to 760 horsepower. We have a product called ACE, the Advanced Combat Engine, okay, which is an opposing piston product, which will be up to 1,000 horsepower. It's still very much in the design testing phase in the US with a very large OEM for the next generation of US main battle tanks. And we're hopeful to potentially have that available for prototypes in this region, maybe at the back end of this year or potentially into 2025. So there are 3 of the products that will continue to defend and grow our market share with around the globe. Hedgehog. So Hedgehog is a product, is a 95 litre product, and it's a nickname within Cummins. So you're probably going to ask, why is it called Hedgehog? Well, do you know what a hedgehog's favourite food is? Caterpillars. Meritor became part of the Cummins family at probably mid-2023. It's now fully integrated into Cummins. Powertrains develop. The amalgamation of Cummins and Meritor makes sense. More customers are looking for complete solutions. Okay, they're looking for hybrid and electric drives. So the amalgamation of Cummins and Meritor just makes a whole lot of sense of where the market's going. So to provide a full solution, not just in defence, but especially on the on-highway kind of market. Okay. Yes, they are part of Cummins. I think over time, I think they'll be more integrated. Cummins have a global distribution network, have a huge supply chain, and many distribution outlets. Okay, we have plants in Mexico, in the US, in UK, many in China, joint ventures in China, and also in India. So whether they may play in those markets and utilise what we have currently, I think would make a lot of sense to maybe fast track the product line and the solutions into the global market. So yeah, we're very excited about it. Our Meritor friends are here with us this week, and we're busy talking about. We find we're all working with the same OEMs, the same customers. So there's very much an integration going on with Meritor, and we're very happy to have them part of the Cummins family.